Alright, Rob Fraser here's video talking about how to use Safelists to get signups in your business, and this is video 3 of my playlist. So basically, if you recall, videos 1 I talk about the 3-hour cash machine and how we just start creating a wheel, and then we just keep spinning that wheel, earning some commissions. We use that commissions to get more traffic to promote the same system. And then we just keep spinning that wheel, gets a little bit bigger, get a little bit more commissions, see global network, promote the same 3-hour cash machine system, keep spinning the wheel. Then we added the broke person's traffic plan, which is really a traffic exchange based strategy. Now, same deal. It's like when you kind of master this step right here, which is real easy, and participating in this portion takes me 20 minutes. At a max, we'll say 30 minutes if I'm goofing around and not surfing. So I don't spend a large portion of my day with everything you see right here. This next step I'm going to add today is basically Safelist. Now I'm not really going to get deep down into the weeds because I do have a YouTube playlist that I do get down into the weeds with. I do have a few blog posts written on the subject as well, and those will be linked below this video in the description. But today I just wanted to just briefly touch on Safelist and my ultimate Safelist strategy, which I break down in these 2 pages right here. You'll see the links below. I do have to add a new video to my system here, but it's really traffic zipper, viral mailer payday, and a few Safelist. I know it does kind of sound like a lot, but it really isn't. This step, excuse me, I'll spend maybe an hour, 45 minutes to an hour a day using this strategy. So the first portion here, about 30 minutes, and then when you add in my Safelist strategy, I'm going to just put SL. And also for the Safelist strategy, on the way I promote it, I do have a couple of different Safelist and different opportunities. My Legion Secret, Herculist, Infinity Mailer Boost. So you do have a couple of extra income opportunities here as well. For this step, I'm going to just say 5 because we also have Viral Mailer Payday and Traffic Zipper. But again, looking at the pattern, where does all of this traffic go to? What do I promote on Safelist? All of that traffic goes all the way back here to promote the 3-hour cash machine. And again, the more people comes into my 3-hour cash machine sales funnel, the more people end up signing up for the programs. More people sign up for the programs, more money I make. The more money I make, the more traffic I can get. And I just keep expanding my whole repertoire of traffic, if you will. And also my income streams as well. So this should actually be 10 through 14 as far as income streams. But I'm not really focused on the income because the only thing is, every time I add a new piece, that's just more commissions that I roll into getting more traffic. And I do take a percentage out. Everything I make, I usually take 40% right off the top and roll it back into more traffic. So I make a commission, I put a little bit in AdClick Express, buy some Prime advertising, buy some ad packs at Seek Global Network, and I'm just kind of sprinkling across the top here. I have all of these traffic programs, but again, these are traffic programs all feeding my 3-hour cash machine funnel. And then when people come in my 3-hour cash machine funnel, this YouTube video, which I will create these same videos for you so you can use them to promote your systems, because the more people come behind you, join these systems, the more money you're going to ultimately make. Had to get a drink of water there. But that's it, and I just keep adding on to it. And you can see the pattern, especially if you go back and watch my first couple of videos. I'm actually going to clean this up with some nice, sexy graphics at some point. But it's the same thing. I started out here. Then after I kind of mastered that, got my whole system set up, then I added the broke person's traffic plan. I add in my 30 minutes of clicking traffic exchanges. I have YouTube playlists for that as well. I need to go back and put them underneath that video. But again, and this Safelist strategy, spend about an hour a day surfing my emails and emailing it out my Safelist. All of that traffic goes to promote this same system, and everyone who comes through my system gets exposed to all of these traffic programs, and so when they join behind me, creates group economics, creates more traffic, gets more signups in the primary business, and it just keeps on going. So that being said, wrapping this video up, this is day 3 of my 7 video series here, how to get signups using Safelist. In the description of this video, there's going to be a couple of links. There's going to be a link to this page right here. There's going to be a link to this page. I also have a capture page link so you can opt in and get the same system for yourself. I'm going to have my blog in the pinned comment underneath this video. Same thing with this YouTube playlist where I go into more detail. And that's it. So Rob Fraser here, wrapping this up. See you in the next.